Intergeo is a must for our industry. So this is a very well-known conference where it's really important for us to showcase our product customers, to learn about the industry trends, and this is the place to be to introduce new products like we are doing every year, and specifically in 2016 with the introduction of a bunch of new products in the scanning space. We have a game changer which is called the SX10, which is first scanning total station. So this is really the bridge between a scanner and a total station. So people may ask, okay, so is it a total station? Is it a scanner? Yes, it is the best in class total station Trimble ever engineered, but this is also a true scanner. So this is really making the bridge between the two applications. Still in the scanning world, so we are introducing two new scanners, the TX8, a new version of the TX8 with enhanced capability, and also a completely new TX6, entry-level scanning, but still really high-end in terms of performances. So two new scanners with a scanning total station. Also new GIS data collector with the TDC100, which is a really affordable field software, field data collector. A bunch of new software releases, MX software to run our MX7 product for mobile mapping. A bunch of new releases of our field and office software. So a lot of new things this year for Trimble at Intergeo. This is a way to get people used to scanning technology. So this is a way to bring scanning in the hand of a surveyor. So this is really a product made by surveyor for surveyors to allow us to work really in the workflow they know. So this is a workflow for surveyors. So it means that there will be no learning curve. So people used to Trimble total station will be immediately capable to use the Trimble SX10 and to get used and addict to scanning technology to fill the gap with a total station. So you may survey your points and do a scanning at the same time and go back to the office and just, okay, so I don't need to go back on the field because I already have the data with the scanner. So this is really a very efficient way to bridge the two technologies. So first of all, we are always talking about connecting field and office. So on Trimble, a cloud-based services, so we call it Trimble Connect. So this is really the platform to connect field and office. So to be capable to provide data and to send data from the field to the office, to look at it and to send back the information to the field. So this is really through the cloud that we are capable to achieve this, and this is the answer to this question. So our capability and our ability to handle a huge mess of data through the cloud. Efficient data management comes through, I would say, to be capable to provide some tools which do not disturb the way surveyors is working. So it's always cool to provide a cool piece of technology, but you need to understand that this piece of technology needs to be adopted and used by surveyors on the field. So this is what we are doing with the Trimble SX10. So a fantastic piece of technology, but in the workflow they know. And this is how to be efficient, to be really focused on the workflow people used to. So this is a really complex industry, quite mature in a way, so meaning that if you want to grow in this industry, you need to bring innovation, because so you need to go through replacement cycle, and to have people going through replacement cycle, you need to provide some innovation. In the next decade, we will bring more innovation to allow our customers to quickly change their equipment, change their solution. Second is to go after emerging market and emerging countries to provide some solution to this application on this space. And third one is about verticals. If we tied your question with just the one before, so a good example of innovation is exactly the SX10 we are going to introduce today. if you go through emerging countries and how to better serve customers' needs, you may imagine. So we are launching in some specific countries. We may work through localized branded products. For example, in Russia, we know that it's important to come to the market with maybe a Russian branded solution, engineered in Russia and manufactured in Russia. This is what we are doing with some of our products. And if you go after verticals, a good example is also what we are trying to do now with forensic business. So we have a completely new forensic business area focusing in this industry, using the bricks coming from geospatial, and this is also a way to address new verticals.